Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about Apache Kafka, why it is used so much in companies, and what it is basically, right? So, so Kafka it's like a distributed event store and stream processing platform. So basically, it's for storing the events and also in the streaming process, it's used. It's an open source system. It's developed by Apache Software Foundation, written in Java and Scala, right? So, okay. Uh, so yeah. So basically, it is used to store data, right? We will be thinking that why we are not using a database, why we you prefer Kafka in certain cases. The reason is that Kafka elements, right? But it has a very high throughput, right? So it means that in a very short interval of time, we can get a huge amount of data from Kafka topic, whereas a database has a low throughput. So it takes some time to fetch the same amount of data as compared to Kafka, right? So basically, this is the main difference why we prefer Kafka in certain cases. Uh, right. So how it functions and everything, and what is the architecture? We can discuss. We can have a high level overview of this, right? So we have a in this Kafka system, we have a like for example, uh, this is a producer. So we have a consumer and we have a producer, right? So producer sends a message and consumer accepts a message or a notification, whatever we want to call. So suppose we have seen Zomato, Swiggy, and these companies. So when we can actually track the delivery boy's location down. Suppose this is the delivery boy, and this is the uh, we as a consumer, like we user. So the delivery boy has to reach to the user, right? In certain places on the road, the delivery boy will be sending some notification that yeah, here we are, here I am. So and this user will be fetching those details from every time to see where the exact location of the delivery boy is, right? So we would be thinking that we can use a database to store everything, right? So the delivery boy here, uh, so this is delivery boy, right? Yeah, so this is delivery boy. So he will be sending the location every time, right? Every time we have to know he will be sending that location in the database and will be fetching, right? So in the case of Zomato and Swiggy, Zomato has nearly, you know, like for example, at some time, like 2 lakh orders are there, right? 2 lakh orders are there, right? And it has the operation like sending it as the delivery boy has sent around for one order. It has around sent around five query operations he has done to in the database to update the database about the location, and the user would have fetched around 5 times, so 10 database operations. So 2 lakh, around 2 lakh orders are there, and into 10, like 20 lakh uh, query operations will be handled by by a database. So okay, So it is not feasible, and the DB has a I mean low throughput, so it will cause some delay. So what Zomato and these companies they do is they have example they have a Kafka queue. So the Kafka queue, the delivery boy will be updating the Kafka queue every time with the location, and whoever is has subscribed, like in the YouTube we do subscribe to a channel and we get the notifications, right? So those who have subscribed to this Kafka queue, right? So they would be getting this uh, location whenever he puts it into this. So the number of query operations it has been reduced, and this Kafka queue has a high throughput. So it will be sending we will be getting the exact location. I mean, uh, in a very short interval of time compared to a database. So this is how a Kafka queue basically helps us in reducing the time and everything. And also it is Kafka queue is fault tolerant. It can be scaled, and of course it's distributed, right? So these are the characteristics, and this is why it is used so much. So we can delve into the you know we can go into the architecture of this. So as discussed, it has a producer. uh, it has a producer, and so this is the Kafka ecosystem. This is topic one. Topic so basically we want to you know we can have we can divide the Kafka into various segments. Suppose a consumer has only subscribed to topic one, okay? So he will be getting all the notifications only from the topic one, okay? And suppose another has yeah, so another has subscribed to topic two, so he'll be getting all the notifications from topic two. And we have the zookeeper here. So zookeeper basically manages the state of the brokers. So these two are brokers called topic one, topic two. Combined, they are called brokers. So the broker, all it is these two things are managed by zookeeper. So in order to activate the whole Kafka, we have to first start the zookeeper. Then we have to start the Kafka, right? So this is pretty much the uh, you know architecture. So suppose producer it uh, uh, pushes some element into the topic one. So suppose uh, consumer one has subscribed to topic one, so he'll be getting all the notifications from uh, topic one. So suppose we have a consumer two. So the consumer two has subscribed to topic two, so he'll be getting all the notifications from topic two. So this is pretty much the Kafka architecture. So we can delve into a deeper on the uh, topics which we have, right? So suppose this is a topic. So it can further be divided into, segments, right? So, uh, okay. So it will contain element one, element, this will be uh, element two, this will be element three, four, five, six. So each uh, uh, box is called offset. Okay. So these are the basic terms. So actually, we have discussed about the architecture of the Kafka queue. How do we implement this? architecture into our projects. So first we will have to go to you know Apache Kafka website, right? Then we have to download Kafka zip file. All right. So if we extract this, then there will be Windows folder. We can go inside, or if it's not Windows, then outside all the files are there, right? So we have to play with the outside, right? So first we will do this, and then we can run zookeeper. There is a then we'll start, all right? So our application will interact with Kafka server. Uh, so what we can build an application, right? We can build an application containing Kafka. Okay. So suppose uh, we have an application. So we can have two microservices. One is producer and one is the consumer, right? So what we're gonna do is uh, uh, we will set up a microservice. Then we can in like for example in Spring Boot we have a Kafka library through which we can build a tool, right? A Kafka tool. Okay. So that tool will basically the help of tool builder. Java has certain. So with the help of tool builder, we'll develop a tool. So it will basically whenever we hit a point to push a message into the Kafka topic, then we can push it into this topic. So basically, inside tool builder method, we can build a topic, Kafka topic. Like so, yeah, we can build a Kafka topic. So we'll give a name, and with that name, a consumer can subscribe to that topic, right? And it will be getting notifications regarding that. So that's it. So the Kafka topic is built. Now we have to push all the things into this topic. For that, we will be building a controller. A post a method. For example, like update, right? So like this. So so it will be a Kafka service. So what it will do is it will update all the so for example we want to print 1000 numbers, okay, so it will send there is a like we will import a Kafka template. With the help of the Kafka template we will uh, send there is we can so we can send it, okay. So what we can do then is okay, all the 1000 numbers are sent there. Now we have to build a consumer. So we can build a consumer in a similar manner, but we will have to have a there is one thing called Kafka listener. So if we do this above the method, it means that that method will be invoked uh, whenever some new message comes into the Kafka topic, right? So inside this method, we will be fetching inside this method. We can print all the numbers. I mean, all the messages that are there in the topic. So, if a producer, for example, we send 2000 numbers to the topic, we can see in this in the console of this print where the print is written in the consumer, we can see that those 1000 numbers are uh, they are getting inserted into the topic. As soon as it gets inserted into the topic, it is being printed in the console also, right? So to get uh, as soon as it gets printed there in the by the producer into the Kafka topic, okay, it gets consumed. It means that we can see that inside the print, the console of the print. So it is very fast. I mean, it's like even if it is not printed in the producer, it's not printed into the Kafka topic, it feels like it is printed first in the console. So it is so fast. So in this way, we save time instead of doing those database operations. We can do it more quickly. You know, the Kafka topic can solve this problem. That is why it is used in so many applications, like in the map trapping, as we discussed about, uh, uh, and many more. It makes the life simpler. So this is what Kafka topic was, a high level overview. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon for all the notifications, and do comment if you want certain videos on certain topics which interest you. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.